Welcome to dear friend of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application, and here in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just open the app. Okay, I'll turn the tablet. And here click now enable in settings. Near the green Apple keyboard, here click on the switcher and here click twice to OK. Now just go back. Here click to the switch input methods and switch your Samsung keyboard to English United States keyboard, and that's finished. And now we can go, oh my god, so we can go somewhere when we can enter, for example, into the Google search here, and as can you see, our keyboard is also close to the iPhone one as all the emojis. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.